going to be filming makeup for like a family holiday party since we're getting into December when people are probably going to be going to a bunch of family functions and stuff. So I just wanted to do like a makeup look that would be good for like a party, but more of like a house party family kind of thing. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a full face tutorial, by the way. So I'm going to start with my Makeup Forever foundation. I'm going to go ahead and put that on a beauty blender. And I'm just going to blend that into my face. So once I've got that blended, I'm going to take my NYX HD Photogenic Concealer and just put that under my eyes and on any spots I have. Then I'm just going to use the Beauty Blender to blend that in. Next up is the eyes. So I'm going to take a Moda M19 brush and we're going to start with the color Yes. We're just going to put that on our eyelids. After that, I'm going to take a Elizabeth Mott blending brush and I'm going to take the color Cookie and I'm just going to use that to blend out. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and take a smudger brush and I'm going to take a little bit of Cola and use that under my eyes. Trying to stay pretty close to the lash line and only going about halfway. Then I'm going to take a slanted Luxie brush and I'm going to take Iconic and use that to highlight. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and do my face. So I'm going to take the It by My Pores Pressed Powder and I'm just going to put that all over my face. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take the Roxxsaurus Contour and Highlight Palette and I'm going to take a slanted brush. I don't know what this is because the writing is rubbed off, but I'm going to take this color right here and I'm just going to use that to contour. Next up, I'm going to take the Zoella ColourPop Soulmate Blush and I'm just going to use that on my cheeks. And then using the same brush, I'm going to go back to the Roxxsaurus palette and take this sparkly highlighter right here and put that on my cheeks. I'm also going to put it in a couple other places. Next up is my brows, so I'm going to take the Benefit Gimme Good Brow and I'm just going to run this through my brows. So once that's done, I'm going to do my mascara. So I'm using the Marcel Extension Plus Curl Mascara. And I'm just going to put it on my tops and my bottom lashes. Alright, so last but not least is lips. This is a Christmas tutorial, so that means we're going to be using red, and I'm going to be using the Zoella ColourPop in Self Love Club. So this, you guys, is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. And I will see you guys later. Bye, guys!